Okay, welcome back to Love Natural Living. Today we are going to be making Ray Peat's carrot salad.
I don't know if Ray Peat ever technically wanted the carrot salad named after him, but he did recommend eating it.
So we are going to share with you a recipe Patrick shared with me.
Down, baby.
No. Rogue, baby's rogue.
Down, baby.
No.
Just for a second. Just for a second.
You don't know. What should we do?
You didn't factor this in.
No, he's never really done this. What should we give him? Want to hold a carrot?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so carrot salad we eat a few times a week. We put it on quite...
You're supposed to eat it every night.
Eat it every night. We try. And we put it on just about anything. Tonight we are going to make it to put on our taco salad or taco rice bowls.
Let me get you something.
Okay, so the few ingredients that you need are carrots, obviously. We usually do about 2 to 3 carrots. Sea salt. This is our new favorite brand of sea salt. Why?
You gotta check your salt for heavy metals. So try to find one that doesn't have heavy metals. Good luck.
Good luck. This one is a safe one. Patrick went down a wormhole looking for a safe salt, and everything by this brand, Diamond Crystal, they make all types of salt. There's no traces of heavy metals. And then you need a high quality olive oil. Lately we've been loving Le Cuisine. This one is from Lebanon. It's delicious. And you can use apple cider vinegar or any type of vinegar.
Lemon.
Lemon. We're also going to use lemon. Today we're going to add lemon. Normally we don't, but we're going to give it a whirl. So,
apple cider vinegar has always been a classic antidote for digestive issues in general. But yeah, any vinegar, I think.
Okay, so the first step that you'll do is you'll obviously wash or rinse your carrots. I do like to wash our veggies with, I've been loving this fruit wash. It's really simple. Okay, you literally, it takes 1 to 2 dashes, and then you just fill it up with water and let your produce soak for 5 minutes. Okay, so do that really quick. And while we're doing this, oh no, they don't fit. You're washing your carrot? Yeah. Okay, so do you want to tell us a little bit about why carrot salad is important to add into your diet?
So yes, I don't know if it originated with Ray Peat, but there's kind of a Ray Peat following out there. He has some good health information and tips that he's put out through the years. Carrot salad is one of his nutritional recommendations, and kind of aiming at solving some of the digestive issues that are so involved with other systemic issues like skin issues and pain and inflammation, and a lot of these stem from our guts, and even stress levels and how much stress we're under due to the gut's role in maintaining balanced serotonin, estrogen levels, so hormones and neurotransmitters. The gut is involved in those conditions as well. So the fiber in carrots is something that many have used successfully to help sweep the GI tract of excessive amounts of these things, and some even report better balance of estrogen in their hormones, estrogen balance hormonally in their body, reduced endotoxins, which are some of the worst inflammatory compounds, lipopolysaccharides that our body makes. So, and numerous other benefits, as well as carrots are good for you in general. They're good for vision good for your eyes, and lots of other benefits.
Good for your skin.
Skin.
Okay, I'm
If you eat too many, you can turn a little bit orange.
That would be bad. As you can tell, we have a tiny assistant helping us, so bear with us while we fight for the utensils. So you just need a regular peeler, your carrot, and we like to eat it like this. There's a couple times that when we make baked potatoes, Patrick sliced it did this and then chopped it up finely, and great addition to your baked potato.
In general, carrots are typically a well-tolerated food in my experience. So where other types of fibers like greens and salads aren't always as well tolerated. So the goal is to use a binder or a digestive tool that doesn't create more problems like bloating and gas. So carrots are pretty safe in general, but you still will have to try it yourself.
So what's next? Apple cider vinegar. How much do you pour?
Probably about a tablespoon.
The original recipe calls for coconut oil, but you can call it or you can use coconut oil. We use olive oil. I think we like the taste of it better. But is there a reason, or just?
I think we like the flavor better. Is the only reason. Coconut oil is antibacterial and antimicrobial for the guts. There may be reasons to use coconut oil, but we like olive oil.
Yeah. So you use about a tablespoon of that too, and then some pinches of salt. I'll probably do like 2 generous pinches. You can always add more. And then tonight we're going to do a little lemon juice. Sounds kind of fresh. But this is seriously delicious on everything. We put it on our baked potatoes,
Cap on
the side of steak, with veggies. What else could you eat this with?
Well, it's just a good alternative to a green salad. So if you get sick of green salads, try this in the evening.
Yeah.
Green salads may be more digestible for lunch. Carrot salads may be more digestible for dinner in the evening. So
you literally just stir it up. We kind of make it ahead of everything else. Like if we're gonna make this, I typically like to make it very first, so it has time to sit. I just put it in the fridge, cover it, put it in the fridge, and let it sit. And then it has time to break down a little bit more and, you know, get that delicious tang. But that's about it. So carrot salad is great for your body, great for your digestion. It's a nighttime food, which we're going to touch on at some point.
Yes, we will touch on that.
Yeah, solar nutrition's fun. It's a nighttime food, so give it a try. Try this recipe. It's very easy, very inexpensive, and you definitely feel full when you add this to your dinner. Okay, if you like this video, just make sure to subscribe, like, share with your friends. We will make more recipes like this one that are easy to add into your busy schedule already. So we will see you next